What I like about living in Taylor Place is that I know that it's very safe, especially in the downtown Phoenix area. You hear about all of these crimes and things that happen around the area, but coming into Taylor Place, I know that I'm safe, especially with all of the security that you have to do to get in. And then the gym is really nice. I like that they have a couple like treadmills and a couple bikes. So several people can be in there exercising at once, but it's not like so overpowering like regular gyms are. So I like that it's focused on what college students need to keep healthy. Every other floor has like a seating area outside, which I really like. So I kind of like that it's encouraging people to get outside, even though it's like the city environment where you're not really outside in nature. But I like that they're trying to get people outside more. I also really like that the dining hall is right in the building with the dorm. A lot of my friends think that's really cool because they have to walk like across campus to get to their dining hall. So it's really great in the morning when you're not totally awake but you just want food. So it's good to go down there just in your pajamas and grab something. Especially being from out of state, the homesickness can really get to you, especially when you're in this like little box of a dorm room. So I brought like books from home and a lot of pictures, and like my family will send me like knickknacks on the holidays. So to kind of like bridge that gap between being here in school and not being home. So that was nice.